this part 2 of the recipe on how to make a Yakuza content video. In this one, I'm going to focus on more like small details and mannerisms. So number 1, put the camera very close to you, and not really all that intentionally. You just gotta do it by habit. So then when you're doing, let's just say, hand movements to try to demonstrate a point, people don't really see your hands moving at all, which is a little bit annoying, but sometimes they see the tips of your fingers and stuff, but nothing else. Next one, wear a hat. Definitely bonus points. Not all videos are like that, but a decent amount of it. Have a beard of just your face. You should stroke it every once in a while during the video while you're talking. Definitely probably +5 bonus points. And if you have hair on the side of your face, make sure to stroke that too. +3 bonus points. And perhaps maybe laugh maybe like once during the video at like the midway point for no actual great reason, at something not that funny. That also probably like +7 bonus points. If only I gave bonus points these things at the start of the video. I could have added them all up. But, I didn't. I don't really feel like remaking it, so, there you go. There's part 2 to the recipe. Enjoy.